Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hawaiian pickled onions. This simple recipe brings a taste of the islands right to your table. We'll cover all the essential steps, from gathering fresh ingredients to enjoying your delicious homemade batch. Get ready to add a vibrant, tangy kick to your favorite dishes with this easy-to-follow guide, perfect for any meal. To begin, you'll need 2 pounds of fresh sweet onions, like Maui onions, for the best taste. For the brine, combine 1 cup of rice vinegar with 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. For a little warmth, add 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. First, thinly slice your onions, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick pieces. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together the rice vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and red pepper flakes until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Then, carefully pack the sliced onions into a clean 1-quart jar. Finally, pour the liquid mixture over the onions, ensuring they are fully submerged. Once your onions are in the brine, refrigerate them for at least 2 hours to allow the flavors to meld. For the best taste, let them marinate overnight. This really deepens the flavor. These tangy pickled onions are fantastic as a side dish or a topping for sandwiches and tacos. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.